Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is description of measures of central tendency and calculations of measures of central tendency. Now the measures of central tendency are the concept of averages of mean, median and mode. Now how we calculate mean, median and mode? In mean, let x1, x2 and xn be and given quantities. Then their average is the value of representing the tendency of this quantity and is called the mean. This is the definition of mean. But how we find the mean? First we add the sum of all the values and divided the number of values. When we find this average, we find the mean. Mean is also called the average. Let's see in example. The scores of a student in 8 papers are 58, 72, 65, 85, 94, 78, 87, 85. Then find the mean score. Here we sum all the values and divide by the number of values, which is 8. So sum of values is equals to 624, which divided by 8 is equals to 78. Now our mean is equals to 78. What is weighted mean? When all values are given, data have same importance, then we use mean. But when different values have different importance, then we use the weighted mean. So in weighted mean, just like different values like frequency and the data are given, that a number occurs how many times in a data. For this we use the mean. Weighted mean formula is equals to sigma xw divided by sigma w. Sigma means sum of the x multiplied with w. X means value data given and w means the frequency the data occurs in a how many times the data occurs. So xw divided by sigma w. This is also called the frequency. For example, the following data describes the marks of a student in different subjects and weight assigned to these subjects are also given. So marks is equal to 74, 78, 74, 90. Weights is equal to 4, 3, 5, 6. Find the weighted mean. Now weighted mean is equals to xw. So 4 into 74, 3 into 78, 5 into 74, 6 into 90. Divided by 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. When we add these 1440 divided by 18, then our weighted mean is equals to 80 marks. Now here we find the median. What is median? If a data is arranged in ascending order, descending order, then median of the data is the middle value of the data if it consists of odd numbers of values. And the mean of the two middle values of the data is the median of the data if the number of values is data is even. अगर आपका डाटा जो है वो ओड नंबर्स में है तो आप उसकी जो मिडल वैल्यू है वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो आपका मीडियन होगा, और अगर वो इवन नंबर्स में है तो टू मिडल वैल्यूज़ जो हैं बाय यूजिंग मीन फार्मूला तो आप उसका जो है वो मीडियन फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. इसके लिए एक और फार्मूला भी है कि अगर आपकी ओड डाटा है तो आप फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे n+1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. n डिनोट्स हेयर नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज़, और फॉर इवन n डिवाइडेड बाई 2 प्लस n बाई 2 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. अगर इवन डाटा है तो आप ये फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे और अगर ऑड डाटा है तो आप ये फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ एन एग्जांपल, द वेट्स in kg of 9 students are as under. Find the median. So 29, 32, 45, 27, 30, 47, 35, 37, 33. Arranging these values in a descending order: 47, 45, 37, 35, 33, 32, 30, 29, 27. This data is in odd numbers, so we arrange this, and the middle value is 33, so median is equals to 33. Mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a data. In case no value repeated in a data, then the data has no mode. If two or more values occur with same greatest frequency, then each is a mode. Find the mode of the given data 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 2, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7. In this, the value 2 is repeated the most, so 2 is the mode of this data. In this example, the data has no mode because no value is repeated in this given data. Now in this, if you see that 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. In this data, 2 repeats 3 times and 5 also repeats 3 times. So 2 and 5, these two are the mode of this data. Remember that a data can have more than one mode and a data may or may not have a mode. Now moving towards our exercise 12.2, question number 1. Compute the mean, median and mode of the following data. Part 1, 10, 8, 6, 0, 8, 3, 2, 5, 8, 4. Now solution is, by using formula we find mean. Mean is equals to sum of all values divided by number of values. So here we sum all values, 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4. Divided by number of values, we count the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of values is 10. So we divide sum of all values divided by number of values. Sum of values is equals to 54 divided by 10. When we divide 54 with 10, our answer is 5.4. Now the median. For finding median, first we arrange the values in ascending order. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 8, 10. Ascending order means from smaller to greater values. Now for this we use the formula for finding mean. When our mean is in even numbers, data given is in even numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number is even number. So by using formula of even numbers, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 value divided by 2. So a number of n represent here the number of values. So our number of values is equals to 10. 10 divided by 2, a 2th term plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. So when we divide 10 by 2 is equals to 5 and 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So 5th plus 6th divided by 2th term are formula for median. So median is equals to 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. Our 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 5 and 6th term is 6. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. 11 by 2 is equals to 5.5. Now you people know that mode is the most occurred value in the data. So the most occurred value is 8, which is 3 times. So our mode is 8. Part 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 0, 3, 4, 119. Now our solution is, now part 3 solution is, first we find mean. By using formula sum of all values divided by number of values. So sum of all values is equals to 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 119 divided by number of values. Our number of values is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of values is 8. So when we add these numbers, so 140 divided by 8. When we divide 140 with 8, our answer is 17.5. So mean is 17.5. Now median, arrange the values in ascending order first. So 0, 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 119. So total number of values is 8. So by using our formula for even numbers, 8 is even number of even numbers. So 8 by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 1. So 8 by 2 is equals to 4. 4th plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, 5th term. So 4th plus 5th term divided by 2. Now total number of values is 8. So 4th and 5th term are the middle values. So by using formula, median is equals to 4th term plus 5th term divided by 2. So our 4th term is 1, 3, 4. This is our fourth term and this is our fifth term. So 4 plus 4 divided by 2. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Now mode is the most occurred value. So our most occurred value in this data is 4, which is 3 times. So our mode is equals to 4. Part 4, 62, 90, 71, 83, 75. Then the solution is, first we find mean by using formula. So sum of all values divided by number of values. 62 plus 90 plus 71 plus 83 plus 75 divided by number of values. Number of values is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. Sum of these values is equals to 381 divided by 5. When we divide 381 with 5, our answer is 76.2. So our mean is 76.2. In median, first we arrange the values in descending order: 62, 71, 75, 83, 90. Total number of values is equals to 5. So we use the formula of odd numbers when the data is in odd numbers. So n plus 1 divided by 2. Total number of values is equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 6 by 2. Tooth term is equals to third term. Median is equals to 6 by 2th term. Third term. Total number of values is 5. So third term is the middle value. So our third term is 1, 2, 3. This is our third term. So our median is 75. Now moving towards mode. No value is repeated in this data. As you see in this data, there is no value which is repeated. So our mode is equals to nil. Part 6. Number of letters in first 20 words in a book is equals to 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5. The data is given. The total number is equals to 20. So first we find our mean. Sum of all values divided by number of values. So sum of all values is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. Divided by number of values, our number of values is equals to 20. When we add these numbers, it is equals to 63. 63 divided by 20. When we divide 63 by 20, our answer is 3.15. So our mean is 3.15. Now median. Arrange the values in ascending order first. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 8 times 3 and 8 times 3 and 3 times 4 and 3 times 5. So total number of values is 20. So by using formula for even values, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 20 by 2 plus 20 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 20 by 2 is equals to 10th plus 11th divided by 2. So our 10th and 11th term is the middle values. So by using formula, median is equals to 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. Our 10th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th term is 3 and 11th term is also 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equals to 3. So our median is equals to 3. Now mode. The most occurred value is 3, which is 8 times. 8 times occurred in this data, and our mode is equals to 3. Part 7. The number of calories in 9 different beverage of 250 ml bottles: 99, 106, 101, 103, 108, 107, 107, 106 and 108. Now moving towards our solution, first we find mean by using formula. Our formula is equals to sum of all values divided by number of values. So our values is equals to 99 plus 106 plus 101 plus 103 plus 108 plus 107 plus 107 plus 106 plus 108 divided by number of values. So our number of values is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number of values is equals to 9. So addition of these values is equals to 945 divided by 9. When we divide 945 with 9, Our answer is 105. Now median, arrange the values in ascending order first. So 99, 101, 103, 106, 106, 107, 107, 108, 108. Now total number of values is 9. So these are in odd numbers. So by using odd number formula, n plus 1 divided by 2 and 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5th. So total number of values is 9. So fifth term is the middle value. 10 by 2, 2th term, 5th term. Our fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our fifth term is 106. So our median is equals to 106. Now mode. Students, you know that there is more than one mode in a data. So the most occurred values are 106, 107 or 108. 106 occurred 2 times, 107 occurred 2 times and 108 also occurred 2 times in this data. So our mode is 106, 107 and 108. Part 8. Number of rooms in 15 are houses of a locality city is equals to 5, 9, 8, 6, 8, 7, 6, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9, 7, 8, 5. So our solution is, first we find mean by using our formula sum of all values divided by number of values. So 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 divided by number of values. So our number of values is equals to 15 divided by 15. Addition of these numbers is equals to 109 divided by 15. When we divide these two, our answer is 7.27. Our mean is 7.27. Now for finding median, first arrange these values in ascending order. 5, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, 4 times 7 and 4 times 8 and 3 times 9. Now total number of values is 15. So this data is in odd numbers by using formula n plus 1 divided by 2. 50 n is our number of values. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. Total number of values is 15. So 8th term is the middle values. 16 by 2 term 8th term. So our 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our 8th term is 7. So our median is equals to 7. Now mode. The most occurred values are 7 and 8. 7 comes 4 times and 8 also occurred 4 times. So our mode is 7, 8. Thank you.